नमस्कार। आज के इस खास कार्यक्रम में मैं अमितेश शर्मा रेडियो सिटी की ओर से आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं। आज हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं आदरणीय सुप्रसिद्ध डॉक्टर श्री अजय कुमार गाजिंगी, कंसल्टेंट यूरोलॉजिस्ट, यूरो ऑन्को सर्जन एंड लैप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जन एट यूरो कंसल्ट बोरीवली वेस्ट। ही इज आल्सो एसोसिएटेड विद भक्ति वेदांता हॉस्पिटल एंड थुंगा ग्रुप ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स। सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज बीपीएच एंड व्हाट आर द कॉमन सिम्टम्स एसोसिएटेड विद दिस डिसऑर्डर?
So BPH, as the name suggests, is a short form. It is used for benign prostatic hyperplasia. Now, prostate is a small gland. It is situated below the urinary bladder in a male. Now, this gland is normally small. As age advances, it increases in size. It surrounds the urethra, and urethra is a tube which carries the urine. So, whenever the gland enlarges in size, it causes obstruction to the flow of urine. So, benign enlargement is there. So, there should be cancerous enlargement. So, these are two different entities. Now, today we are going to talk on benign enlargement of prostate. Now, benign enlargement will cause symptoms related to outflow obstruction as well as symptoms related to bladder storage. Now, outflow obstruction symptoms will be what? The patient will say कि मुझे यूरिन पेशाब फ्लो अच्छा नहीं है, जोर लगाना पड़ता है, रुक रुके होता है, अटक अटक के होता है। और जब स्टोरेज सिम्टम्स की बात आए तो पेशाब रात में बार बार जाना पड़ता है, घाई घाई में जाना पड़ता है, कंट्रोल नहीं होता है। ऐसे सिम्टम्स हो सकते हैं। So these are the symptoms which we are frequently seeing in patients with BPH.
All right, sir. So how common is BPH in India?
Now, coming to its incidence, it is increasing in India because most of the patients now become aware early because of the media, because of awareness created by the other people, his friends. Small symptoms, he will come to the urologist. So, with age, more than 50, the incidence is increasing. 50% of patients will have symptoms after the age of 50 and about 80% will have symptoms after the age of 80-85.
All right, sir. So the next question is how is the quality of life affected in patient with BPH?
So, as I already told you the symptoms. So, with these symptoms like frequency, urgency, the patient is not able to control. He will not able to travel for a long distance. He will tell कि मुझे घबराहट होती है कि लंबे समय तक कोई बस में ट्रैवल करना. He will say कि मुझे पिक्चर जाने में डर लगता है, कभी बीच में से ही मुझे उठ के जाना पड़े. So his quality of life is affected socially, and also in the night he has to get up again and again, because of which his sleep is disturbed. So because of which his daytime work is disturbed. So overall the quality of life is disturbed.
All right, sir. So जैसे कि हम देखते हैं कि BPH के विकसित होने का खतरा ऐसे किन लोगों में पाया जाता है?
If this reason you ask me, there is no specific reason for the enlargement of the prostate. It depends on patient's quality and type of life. It usually seen in obese patients, patients who are on high fat diet, patients who have lack of exercise. So these patients are prone. Also, it is commonly seen in patients who have history of prostate in their father or their brothers, elder brothers. So no specific reason has been found yet.
All right, sir. So जैसे सर कुछ लोगों का प्रश्न रहता है कि जो प्रोस्टेट कैंसर है और BPH है, ये कितना मिलता जुलता है?
Now, prostate cancer और prostate enlargement दोनों अलग अलग है. Prostate enlargement is non-cancerous. BPH is non-cancerous. This has to be emphasized. यानी patients, बहुत सारे लोग घबरा जाते हैं कि मुझे BPH हो गया, कहीं कैंसर तो नहीं. Symptoms दोनों में थोड़े कॉमन है, इसीलिए कोई भी पेशेंट को ये सिम्टम्स आते हैं तो we always screen them for cancer of the prostate by doing digital rectal examination and also by doing a test called serum prostate specific antigen, serum PSA. So we always do this screening test in a patient who has symptoms of BPH and who is suspected to have cancer prostate.
So what are the treatment options available for patients with BPH and what is the role of lifestyle management in such people?
Now, BPH, if we first have to start with diagnosis. So there is a scoring called AUA, American Urological Association, has a scoring system based on which we divide the symptoms in mild to moderate and severe. Those patients who are mild, we usually start with medications. Mild to moderate also, patients can be started on medications and see the improvement. If the patient improves with medications, what we usually use are alpha blockers.
Yeah.
With a combination of other drugs like dutasteride, and there are many other medicines for storage symptoms also. If medicines take care of these symptoms, well and good. If medicines don't improve their symptoms, then we have to go for minimally invasive surgeries like transurethral resection of prostate, what we call as TURP. इसमें हम पेशाब के रास्ते से ही, दूरबीन से ही प्रोस्टेट को देख के प्रोस्टेट को अंदर से ही निकाल देते हैं. If the prostate is very big, then we may have to do laparoscopic surgery or robotic surgery, and very rarely open surgeries.
All right, sir. So as an experienced expert, what advice would you like to give to patients who have BPH and they are shy to मतलब
Yeah.
झिझकते हैं बताने
So
में?
yeah, good one. So today now in India there is a population who is becoming elder. About 80%, 70% people are aware that these symptoms, if they occur, they have to go to the urologist and they come. But to improve this conversion, we have to make aware by either media, newspaper, Facebook, Insta, and every channel, so that more and more people will become aware of the problem. So my advice would be those patients who are having minimal to minimal symptoms also should visit their nearby urologist, so that the diagnosis is early and treatment also starts early.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच अजय सर, ये सारे हमारे प्रश्न का जवाब देने के लिए। इससे हमारे सभी दर्शकों को बहुत सहायता मिलेगी। थैंक यू सो मच। और इसी के साथ मैं अलविदा लेना चाहूंगा आपसे, अमितेश शर्मा, आज के इस कार्यक्रम में। थैंक यू सो मच।